This is Sherlock, the invisible GPS anti-theft tracker for bicycles. It is connected to a mobile app to let you always know where your bike is and help you retrieve it in case of theft. You may order it online or purchase it at authorized local dealers. Let's see what's inside the box. Inside your box, you will find our handbook with all the instructions you may need, your Sherlock device, a twin cap for the other end of the handlebar, and a micro USB cable for charging. Sherlock may have travelled a long way to get to you, so let's get it fully charged before installing it.